Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got something Dandadan. We are diving into epic character Ken Takakura. Let's get started. Draw a circle, divide it vertically through the middle, and then divide it horizontally through the middle once. Now we will divide these two halves of the circle vertically once more. Divide the lower part of the circle too, this time horizontally. In the process of making eyes, we will draw a small box here like this. The horizontally division would be a bit above of the middle. For nose, I am drawing a triangle shape on this vertical line. Ken's eyes are tilted in diagonal position, that is why I am marking this. By referring to this graphic, you will be able to easily draw the eyes. Every time you draw the eye, have patience. It required perfection. I won't draw this eye because we will draw the glasses here. Let's draw the nose here. Ken wears big glasses, for that we will draw big circles here. The glasses are key part of Katakuri's appearance. This way we will extend the circle for jawline. In the process of getting proper jawline corner, first we will draw this V shape. Then we will draw two vertical line and one horizontal line connecting each other. After connecting these 5 dots, we will get the reference line for the jawline. Since we have a reference, we can draw jawline. For the making mouth, I will mark here. I will draw the shape like tilted D for mouth. This way we will draw the lower lip.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me.
Top of the nose and lower lip will be the reference line for the ears.
But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand, and damn,
Ken's marks appears during his transformation, signifying his increased power. They give his face a sharp, intense look.
Sour. Take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just your downers.
We will divide the upper part of the circle in half, and here we can draw the hairline.
It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me.
I will draw the reference line for the hair above of forehead. Ken's hair is curly, so we will draw S and C curves repetitively.
I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight.
After adding the finishing touches, we are all done. I hope this tutorial helped you bring Ken's character to life. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more drawing. See you in the next video.